Hey guys, welcome back to the Gene Garage, and today what I'm doing. So I tried to record a video for the CRX a day ago, and the camera that I was using was not giving me what I needed. So I'm done what I did. Let me show you what I did, what I'm about to do. Okay, first let me put the CRX a little bit back. So I want to get in. Right. Second of all, I got my new valve cover. Well, not new, the OEM valve cover that came with the motor. I did that. Started buffing the car. Still gotta do this area, that, motor mount, some of this. But the reason I'm stopping is because my old valve cover right there, it's hitting, right? Also, something that I hate on this car is when I open the door, you see that door right here? You see that the edge? Okay. So I got a couple things that I want to put on the car, and I got these the other day. I went to the junkyard and I put these out of the car. And you see how I got this white letter here? Well, what I want to use with that is basically, I want to glue it. It's supposed to be with stuff like that. I'm going to glue that right there. I'm going to fix that one too right here. I'm going to glue it. And then I'm going to snap. You see how they got the carpet between them? Like this carpet right here is between these right here. So I'm basically doing the same thing. Trying to see if I can figure that out. So I can paint this, put the carpet in, and get it over with, right? Cool. Then I got this too. Seen better days. But it's a really good shape right here in the middle, in there, and the side. So I want to touch it up so I can put it on my CRX. So with that said, I'm going to take that off apart, clean it up, wash it, and then put it on. Besides that, you guys have to do is hit like, hit subscribe, and let's see how that beautiful CRX might take a trophy in the coming show. Oh, by the way, Adriana is not far behind. I also ordered a oh my gosh. I also ordered a throttle cable body for the CRX. Hopefully I get it before the show. Now, the reason I am gonna redo this and clean this up and make this all look good is because mine in here has a couple of dents and stuff like that. Let me see something. I just want to clean this up real quick. Take this off. I gotta wash all this stuff. And for those of you that call me all the time and asking me if I sell CRX parts, look, everything that I got in my warehouses belongs to a friend of mine and I. And we're willing to help you guys out. But you gotta remember this, guys. These are 30-year-old parts that we're trying to rescue from when I buy a CRX from the street. And do we consider the car is not worthy to fix, or whatever the case is. So at that time and point, we use it for parts. The reason I'm saying this, I had a couple comments, people hitting me up and the parts are too rusty or they wanted a mint condition part, guess what? What I have is what I can get. I wish I have a process that I can get a mint condition part and make it look super nice, but I don't. Sometimes we get lucky and we get premium parts, and sometimes we don't get lucky at all. And everything that we get is garbage, and we're trying to make our best. But it doesn't beat an OEM part. You feel me? So, I'll be back. Let me go watch the stuff and then get prepped for paint. Alright guys, so what I'm using this right here. Basically, I don't know what the fuck is going on with it. It's like a clot or something. Oh, I see why. I'll be right back. Alright, got it fixed. This is OEM trim. So it'll give you that OEM look. First thing I'm doing, I'm spraying it. Let it sit for a minute. This is not going to be gloss, it's going to be like jet black. All right, let it sit. They look amazing. I'll be right back. So you guys, you're gonna let it dry here for a minute. That's the way it's supposed to look, real nice. Then started doing it here, but stop. I wanna let this beautiful thing that I just did dry out for 3 or 4 days before I touch it again. Then I'm gonna put tape around here and everything covered towards the middle. And then I can touch up here, 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 and make it nice and black again. But look at that pearl. Top of the wing, can you see that? So it's all about the, let me see if I can see it right there. It's all about the presentation. You know what I mean? Boom. Back in the early 80s, we used to do this a lot. Not early 80s, huh? 2000. And of course, I gotta wash the rain. I'm gonna put it right here. Let it dry for a few days. So you know, the black trim, you can use it, you can start working on it right away. Like right now, you can start working on it. This is an automotive paint. So I want this to sit down here and cure for 4 or 5 days before I do anything with it. You know what I mean? Because my original one, it's kind of down already. Look. Yeah, you see all the dents you got on it? So it's kind of dull. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Just respray it. Just do the same thing that I did there. We're gonna go from there. I should do the top like I had before, but I don't want to take that apart. Maybe when I take this apart I can do that, but I don't want to deal with that too much. So, with that said, let me go get the other parts. Alright guys, so I moved inside. One is cooler. 2, Luna can hang out with me. That's my dog. As you know, Lasso passed away. Luna's been a little bit depressed. So, my days off like to be around Miss Luna and just walk away right there. Look, Luna. Hey, psst, say hi. Hi, TikTok. I'm the famous Luna. Well, anyway. Yeah, it's nice and cool over here. So what I want to do, I want to start working on this real quick. There she is, right there in the door. There she is. She wants to pay attention. Make sure that everything that you do around here is right. Of course, she's the boss, you know. Let me try something. I'm ready. Okay. The idea for the whole thing is that I want to put paper between it. I don't want to. You know what? Perfect. Go this way. I don't know. Let me see how can I do this. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. This looks pretty good. Hold on. There we go. It looks amazing. Now, what I'm gonna do, I got a little bit of places here that didn't cover or whatever, but what I'm gonna do, like right here, I got some other black that I can touch up with that, no problem. What I want to do now, I want to let it sit for 2 days. See, I got a little boo-boo here. I got extra paint from the car. I want to touch that up, cover it. I want to grab wax and I want to wax all this right here. After a couple days, I'll sit it right here. It looks amazing. It's gonna go to the car. I'm gonna match up everything that I got in the car right now. Actually, I couldn't ask for a better solution on that. It's gonna look amazing. I'm gonna have to paint the whole car. Compared to the one I have to this one, it'll look a lot better. A lot better. It's making that white pop. That's what I wanted it. This is something that we used to do back in the 2000s, early 2000s. So just so you guys know. And then I gotta put my little one thing. Let me show you how the other ones came out. Look, come out pretty good. This is the driver's side. I'm gonna start with that one first. I'm gonna put my carpet right here. And I'm gonna see if I have a stapler. I want to staple that to this. And that should give me what I need to keep my carpet back in place. Stay tuned. I'm back in the heat. And you can see I pulled the car out of the garage. No oil leaks, thank God. And there she is. I mean, there he is. Oh, nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna be on Punta Gorda, August 29. With this car showing it off. Look at that. I told you that would come out better like that. Just because I have this plastic right here. Come on, beautiful thing. Now I gotta do the other side. All right, guys, it's done. I'm missing half a carpet over here, but look, it's done. Nice. I'm gonna buff this later on. That one I'm gonna do it later on because I gotta buff it and clean it up before I do that. Before I take that one down. And the only thing that I'm missing right now, to be honest with you guys, is my wing. I ordered that and caviar has to arrive, and my rear spoiler. But for that show, the only thing I need is the wing. Right here, I put this so it doesn't match my valve cover. See, nice and close. I'm supposed to. I am gonna go real quick to pick up some stuff. I'm gonna go for a ride. So if you guys want to watch, thank you for watching, subscribing. Again, we're gonna be in a couple shows. This Saturday the 15th, we're gonna be, well, it's already passed when you guys see this. I'll be in the show I posted for you guys. So he's looking very well. I need an aftermarket hood. I need a hood, K-series hood. Anybody knows one, please look. See what's happening with my hood. Because I cut it in the middle. It's happening both sides. I need a K-series hood. Anybody knows, please let me know. I'll buy it from you. I don't need to mash it. The whole front end of that would be great. Guys, thank you for watching, subscribing. Whew, it's hot out here. We're gonna take a test drive. I'll be right back.